Adrien Nelson, Gary Umberto Smith, and today we have a very special guest. Everybody welcome Mario! Okay, everybody, I'd like you to meet Mario, as if you've never seen him before.
It's me, Mario!
I know. Okay, Mario, I've had a few requests for questions I should ask you. First of all, what is your favorite food?
Mushrooms and rock candies.
Rocket candies and mushrooms. Oh, that's classic. That's an awesome snack. You just get those rockets, you crush them up, you take those mushrooms, you dice them, or you just throw them in the magic bullet, and then throw them in the bowl. Just, oh my gosh, I'm drooling. Okay, Mario, another question. What's your full name?
Mama!
I'm sure it is. Mario, here we have some very nice question mark boxes, but you get to choose one. This one? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay then. Oh my! It's a Koopa! And another Mario. Let's see how this turns out. Mamma mia! Boing. Oh, Mario, you make me laugh. Now, we have one more question to ask you today. If some magic comic gave you 3, not 2, not 4, 3 wishes, what would they be?
My brother would stop eating spaghetti.
Oh, Luigi does eat a lot of spaghetti, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Okay.
There will be more quests for me to solve.
More quests, which means more games coming your way, all you gamers. And for your third and final one?
Princess Peach would bake me a delicious cake.
Oh, Princess Peach makes good cake, doesn't she?
Yeah.
That got you into a lot of trouble in Super Mario 64, didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, I've had one question myself. How did you meet Yoshi?
Well, it was when I was young.
How young?
And a baby. And
Okay.
Luigi got kidnapped.
By who? Kidnapped Luigi? I thought it was Peach who usually got kidnapped.
It was by Kamek.
Kamek. Kamek's evil, isn't she? Okay.
Yeah.
Also, how close are you and Luigi?
Luigi and I, a little bit close. I do not like spaghetti very much.
You don't like spaghetti? Are you sure you're Italian? Or are you just Japanese?
I like pizza.
Well, pizza's Italian, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, everybody, that's all the time we have for Mario today. He's got to get back to rescuing Toadette this time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. What a wonderful person.